For exercise 7, we are going to add door and window tags. And a door and window tag, all that is a way of identifying items in a drawing when it's plotted out, so you can make references to it. So for example, if you would see a 01 next to a door, you know what type of door it is by looking at a schedule on a sheet. So you should be on page 30. Let's see what we have here. Page 35. And go ahead and scroll down to page 36, and it asks us to select the scheduling tool palette and then select the door tag. So let's open up our drawing that we've done before, and if you don't see the tool palette document, go ahead and click on the icon if it's on design. Let's go ahead and select document, and then go ahead and select scheduling and select the door tag, and then go ahead and select one of your doors. And then go ahead and drop it where you want to put it. Okay. And then it asks us to type in M for multiple. That means we're going to do the same for all of our doors. Type in M, press enter, and then go ahead and select all your doors. And press enter. Okay. And there you have it. Alright, next thing it asks us to do is to do the window tags. Okay, so let's do it asks us to do exactly the same as we did for the doors. Let's go ahead and select the window tag. I'm going to select one window. Put the indicator outside of the house. Say OK. Go ahead in the command line, type M and push enter. And let's go ahead and select all these windows. And press enter. OK. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we should be done with the exercise. So go ahead and save your work. And you've completed exercise 7 on door and window tags. In exercise 8, we are going to add schedules to the house that we are constructing under Getting Started ADT. So on page 42, it tells us we're going to use schedules to document the information about the drawings, and specifically we're going to look at the doors and the windows, and we're going to create door and window schedules. And a schedule is essentially a breakdown of the specifications for the items. So if you design and build a house and you create drawings, a contractor would know what size door to build or purchase. So let's go ahead on our drawing. First thing it asks us to do is go to the scheduling callout. Now again, if you don't have that, you want to make sure that you have the document selected, and go to scheduling, and the first thing it asks us to do is to find the window, actually the door schedule. So select door schedule and go ahead and select the entire house and press enter. Now let's go ahead and put that schedule on the side of our house. Make it as big as you want. And that's your door and frame schedule. And if you zoom in, you'll notice that it has the dimensions and the height and thickness for each door that you have created. And now we're going to do the same for your window. So on page 46, it asks us to select the window schedule. So let's go ahead and do that. Select the window schedule, and we're going to do the same as we did before. I am going to go ahead and select everything, and you'll see that the windows automatically highlight, and push enter. And then I'm going to drop the table in below the door and frame schedule. Okay. Alright, and before we finish, let's go ahead and position this thing. So go ahead and select the top view, which should center everything. And then the command line, go ahead and type in TEXT and push enter. And select above the schedules and go up and click, and then at the bottom you'll see it says rotation. Just go ahead and press enter, and then go ahead and type in your name. And then go ahead and save your work and go ahead and print it out. So what we're going to do is go to plot, and on the paper size go ahead and select the 11 by 8.5 ANSI expand A, and you can preview it. And say OK. And we want to go ahead and select the color laser printer or the black and white printer. So there's a color, and you also have the black and white, and say OK, and you are done. And you have completed Exercise 8 and the Getting Started lesson. So go ahead and look at your house if you want, isometric view. And save your work and print it out, and you should be completed.